Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and discussing the must-have skill for AI engineers to succeed in 2024. Let's kick things off with a question for you all. What do you think is the most crucial skill for AI engineers to have in 2024? As we all know, the field of AI is rapidly evolving, and it's crucial for professionals to stay relevant. The skills required for success in AI are constantly changing, and it's essential to keep up with the latest technologies and trends to remain competitive in the industry. One of the biggest challenges AI engineers face is staying ahead of the curve. With new advancements and innovations happening all the time, it can be tough to keep up. That's why it's essential to constantly upskill and adapt to the changing landscape of AI. So, what specific skill sets, tools, and knowledge areas will be essential for AI engineers to succeed in 2024? Let's dive into that next. In 2024, the key skill that will be a game changer for AI engineers is drumroll, emphasize pause, reveal key skill. This skill will have a significant impact on their careers, opening up new opportunities and allowing them to excel in their roles. To wrap things up, let's summarize the key points we've discussed today. Acquiring the identified skill is crucial for thriving in the AI field in 2024. It's not just about keeping up with the latest trends, but also about staying ahead of the curve and being prepared for the future of AI. Before we go, I want to hear from all of you. What are your thoughts on the identified skill? Share your comments below and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Also, make sure to subscribe for more content on future skills and trends in AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.